Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lin House. Today, I'm excited to take you on a peaceful journey into the design of a cozy Mediterranean tiny stone house, where natural materials, soft sunlight, and a serene garden come together in perfect harmony. In this video, we'll explore every beautiful detail, from the rustic stone architecture to the warm, simple interior and the lush outdoor spaces that complete the home. If you love tranquil designs, earthy textures, and the charm of Mediterranean living, this video is made just for you. So let's dive right into the gentle world of this small yet wonderfully inspiring home. Part 1: The natural beauty and architecture of a Mediterranean tiny stone house. A Mediterranean tiny stone house always begins with the quiet charm of natural materials. The use of raw stone gives the structure a grounded feeling, as if it has grown from the earth itself. This timeless material also reflects the region's history, where stone has been used for centuries to create cool, resilient homes. In tiny houses, stone adds character without overwhelming the space. It creates a sense of authenticity that instantly draws viewers in. One of the most distinctive features is the warm, earthy color palette. Mediterranean stone houses often use light beige, soft brown, and pale gray tones that blend beautifully with natural surroundings. These colors help the house feel relaxed and welcoming, even in compact designs. When sunlight touches the stone, it creates subtle shadows and textures that bring the house to life. This interplay of light and surface details becomes a silent form of decoration. The two-story layout is a clever way to expand living space without increasing the footprint. Mediterranean architecture favors verticality in small homes, making room for cozy upper-floor sleeping or reading areas. The height also improves ventilation, allowing warm air to rise and escape. This natural cooling effect is a traditional technique still effective today. It proves that sustainable design can be both beautiful and practical. Arched openings are another hallmark of Mediterranean style. These arches soften the rigid lines of stone walls and introduce a graceful rhythm to the building's silhouette. They also help distribute structural weight more efficiently, which is why the style has lasted for centuries. In tiny houses, arches visually open the space while maintaining privacy. Their gentle curves add a comforting sense of harmony. Mediterranean homes are known for embracing natural light. Large windows and open doorways invite sunlight to fill the interior from early morning to late afternoon. This bright and airy atmosphere reduces the need for artificial lighting and creates an uplifting mood. It also highlights the textures of stone, wood, and handmade furnishings. Even in a tiny house, the interior feels spacious because light becomes part of the design. The connection between indoor and outdoor living is essential in this architectural tradition. Many Mediterranean houses feature patios, small terraces, or garden corners that serve as extensions of the home. These outdoor areas offer a peaceful space for resting, eating, or simply listening to nature. In tiny house designs, a well-planned garden becomes an important part of the lifestyle. It balances the compact interior with a sense of openness. The surrounding greenery plays a major role in defining the Mediterranean character. Plants like olive trees, herbs, succulents, and flowering vines soften the stone structure and add vibrant life. Greenery not only beautifies the home but also provides shade and improves natural cooling. The contrast between rough stone and lush foliage is visually striking. It creates a tranquil environment that feels timeless and deeply connected to nature. Roof styles also contribute to the Mediterranean identity of the tiny house. Traditional terracotta tiles are favored for their durability, insulation, and rustic charm. Their curved shape allows rainwater to flow easily while adding texture to the overall design. In a small house, the roof becomes an important visual element that ties the entire structure together. It adds warmth and a sense of cultural heritage. Overall, the architecture of a Mediterranean tiny stone house celebrates simplicity and authenticity. Every element, from the stone walls to the garden path, works together to create a peaceful retreat. The design is both functional for modern living and respectful of traditional craftsmanship. It encourages a slower lifestyle that appreciates natural beauty and thoughtful details. This harmonious approach is what makes Mediterranean tiny houses beloved around the world. Part 2: Interior Warmth, Spatial Layout, Mediterranean Lifestyle Philosophy. The interior of a Mediterranean tiny stone house is built upon the idea of warmth and simplicity. Natural materials such as wood, linen, and clay dominate the space, creating an inviting atmosphere. These textures add softness that balances the solid stone structure. The combination of warm tones and organic finishes makes the interior feel like a gentle retreat from daily stress. Even in a small footprint, the house carries a sense of calmness. Furniture choices remain intentional and minimal. Mediterranean design avoids clutter by focusing on functional pieces that bring comfort without excess. Items like wooden benches, hand-woven seats, or compact shelves help maintain openness. Every piece serves a purpose, allowing the tiny house to feel uncluttered and airy. This thoughtful selection encourages mindful living. Color plays a huge role in shaping the cozy interior atmosphere. Soft whites, sandy beiges, and muted blues echo the natural tones of sea and stone. These gentle colors help widen the visual space, making the tiny rooms feel larger than they are. Combined with natural lighting, the palette creates a soothing ambience perfect for relaxation. It's a style that nurtures emotional peace. Lighting in a Mediterranean tiny house is always designed to feel warm and natural. Instead of harsh, bright lights, homeowners use soft glows from lamps, wall sconces, or candles. This indirect lighting highlights the textures of stone and wood beautifully. The result is a comforting evening environment that feels grounding and intimate. It makes the home feel like a sanctuary as the sun sets. The layout of a two-story tiny house emphasizes smart space usage. The lower floor usually combines living, dining, and kitchen areas into an open, seamless flow. This integrated design allows the space to feel lively yet uncluttered. Upper floors often serve as personal retreats for sleeping or reading. By separating social and private areas, the tiny house supports a balanced lifestyle. Storage solutions are cleverly built into the architecture. Shelves carved into stone walls, wooden storage benches, and multi-purpose furniture maximize every corner. These smart ideas help maintain cleanliness and visual calm, which are core values of Mediterranean living. Efficient storage also reduces the need for unnecessary items. The result is a home that feels spacious despite its compact size. One of the most beautiful aspects of Mediterranean interiors is the handmade craftsmanship. Textiles, pottery, baskets, and wooden details often come from local artisans. These handcrafted elements add soul to the home and celebrate cultural heritage. They also contribute to a sense of authenticity that mass-produced decor cannot match. In a tiny home, each handmade piece becomes a meaningful highlight. The lifestyle philosophy behind this design is rooted in simplicity and connection with nature. Mediterranean cultures value slow, mindful living in well-loved spaces. The tiny house reflects this by encouraging outdoor dining, morning sunlight, and evening rest under a quiet sky. Its design supports a rhythm of life that prioritizes peace over busyness. Living here feels like a daily reminder to appreciate small joys. Ultimately, the interior and lifestyle elements work together to create a balanced tiny home. The thoughtful materials, warm colors, and smart layout offer comfort without unnecessary complexity. Every room encourages its occupants to breathe deeply and feel grounded. This harmony is the true spirit of Mediterranean living. It transforms a small stone house into a gentle, enduring refuge. Part 3: Garden Harmony, Outdoor Living Sustainable Value. The garden surrounding a Mediterranean tiny stone house is more than decoration, it is an extension of daily life. Plants such as rosemary, lavender, olives, and bougainvillea bring fragrance and color to the space. Their natural beauty softens the rugged stone walls and creates a peaceful atmosphere. These plants thrive in sunlit climates, adding authenticity to the Mediterranean feel. Together, they turn the outdoor area into a living tapestry. Outdoor seating areas are essential to this lifestyle. A small patio with stone paving, a wooden bench, or a shaded corner invites people to sit, sip tea, or enjoy the breeze. These spaces encourage habits of slow living, allowing homeowners to pause between busy moments. Even in tiny houses, the outdoors compensates for limited interior space. It becomes a relaxing retreat at any time of day. Pathways made of natural stone or gravel enhance the sense of rustic charm. They lead visitors through the garden gently, encouraging exploration and quiet contemplation. The soft sound of footsteps on gravel adds a sensory dimension to the environment. These simple details show how outdoor design can influence mood and experience. They create a meditative rhythm that complements the house's peaceful nature. Water features are often used to heighten the sense of tranquility. A small fountain or stone basin introduces soothing sounds that counterbalance the stillness of the garden. This gentle movement of water cools the atmosphere and provides a refreshing accent. Even a tiny water feature can transform the feeling of the entire outdoor space. The result is a serene oasis that encourages relaxation. Sustainability is deeply embedded in Mediterranean traditions. Stone construction provides natural insulation, reducing the need for excessive cooling or heating. Many homes use passive ventilation and strategic window placement to regulate temperature. The choice of drought-resistant plants also conserves water. Together, these strategies make the tiny house eco-friendly and efficient. The garden also plays a functional role in the home's ecosystem. Herbs and vegetables can be grown in small planters or terracotta pots. This not only provides fresh ingredients but also deepens the connection between the homeowner and the land. Gardening becomes a daily ritual that encourages mindfulness. It turns the house into a self-sustaining microenvironment. Outdoor living spaces help strengthen social connection. Even a tiny patio can accommodate conversations with family or friends. Mediterranean culture values time spent together, and the architecture reflects this belief. When combined with natural scenery, These gatherings feel intimate and meaningful. The tiny house becomes a place where relationships flourish. Over time, the stone house and its garden mature beautifully. Plants grow thicker, vines climb higher, and weathered stone gains character. This natural aging process adds charm rather than taking it away. It allows the home to feel more rooted in its environment. Instead of deteriorating, the house becomes more soulful with each passing year. In the end, a Mediterranean tiny stone house offers more than visual appeal. It creates a lifestyle centered on peace, simplicity, and a deep relationship with nature. The garden, architecture, and interiors work together to form a harmonious whole. This design invites people to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty around them. It is a timeless retreat that continues to inspire anyone who steps inside. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with Lin House today. I truly appreciate your support and hope this video brought you inspiration and a sense of calm. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more beautiful home design journeys. Your encouragement means so much and helps the channel grow every day. See you in the next video.